In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact to a list in HubSpot using enterprise features. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively manage your contacts and enhance your marketing and communication strategies. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to HubSpot's main website. If you're not already familiar, HubSpot is an excellent platform that offers a suite of tools to help businesses manage various aspects of their operations, including customer relations and marketing. Once you reach the homepage, look towards the upper right-hand corner and click on the Login button. This will take you through the necessary steps to access your main HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot homepage. This area acts as your control center, housing all the tools and features you'll need. Here, you want to locate and click on the CRM option. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's a crucial component for nurturing client interactions and staying organized. After you've opened the CRM interface, direct your attention to the Contacts section. Click on it and this will reveal all the contacts currently in your HubSpot database. It's vital to ensure that your contact list is well organized to maximize your marketing efforts and manage communications effectively. Once you are in the contacts area, the next step is to select a contact that you wish to add to a list. Browse through your list and choose the appropriate individual whose information you want to categorize further. After selecting the contact, you'll notice there is a Manage button. Click on Manage to gain more options for modifying the engagement with this contact. After opening the management options, find and click on Add to List. HubSpot enables you to streamline your contacts by categorizing them into various lists, aiding in targeted communication strategies. Next, you'll need to search for the appropriate static list to which you want to add your contact. Static lists are essential for organizing specific groups of contacts and ensuring that your marketing or sales actions are directed effectively. Once you've searched for and found the desired static list, it's time to click on it. If your specific needs involve selecting a sample file, like sample file to CSV, ensure you choose that option to maintain proper categorization. Finally, once everything is set up, click on the Add button. By doing so, you effectively assign the contact to the list you selected. This structure allows you to better tailor your interactions and ensures that your marketing strategies are as efficient and well organized as possible. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a contact to a list in HubSpot. This process enhances your ability to manage customer information and leads effortlessly. Thank you for tuning in and make sure to check out other tutorials for more helpful tips on leveraging HubSpot's extensive capabilities.